Hello children, now we are back again. Today we'll do exercise 6.4 question number 1. Okay, find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. Okay students, using prime factorization method we have learned how to find out square root of a number. Now today we'll do finding square root using division method. Okay, so let us see first question number 1, 2304. Okay, using division method we have to find out square root of this. Okay, so first of all we'll make pair. Okay, from right hand side. Okay, from units place we will start making pair of two digits. So this one is first pair and this one is second pair. Okay, now we'll find out such a number whose square is equal or less than of this first pair. Okay, whose square is equal or less than of first pair. Okay, so you can see 4 4s are 16. If we'll do 5, so 5 5s are 25. So 25 will be greater than 23. So we'll do 4 4s. Okay, so 4 4s is 16. Okay, when we'll subtract this, okay, so when we'll subtract this, 13 minus 6 is 7, and here because here now 1 is left, so 1 minus 1 is cancel out. Okay, so here this is 7, and whatever number we have written here, same number we'll add here this side. Okay, so this 4 plus 4 will become 8. Okay, then next we'll note down this second pair. Okay, not individual number because we have prepared pair, so we'll note down this second pair. So this 04 we'll note down here. Okay, now again what we have to find, we have to find number such that the new divisor is multiplied to the new quotient. जब आप न्यू डिविज़र को न्यू क्वोशिएंट से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, सो यू विल गेट सेम नंबर और लेस देन फ्रॉम दिस. ठीक है, सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, वी विल सी इट्स लास्ट डिजिट. ओके, इट्स लास्ट डिजिट इज व्हाट 4. ठीक है, तो ऐसा कौन सा टेबल है जिसमें लास्ट डिजिट में 4 आएगा. ठीक है, सो यू कैन टेक हियर 2 और 2 2s इज 4 आ सकता है. ठीक है, और देन 8 8s. Okay, 8 8s 64 means last digit is 4. So we have written here 8 8. Okay, then when you'll multiply this 88 multiply by 8, so we'll get 704. Okay, so 704 same number, then we'll do subtraction. So 4 minus 4 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 7 is 0. So what we got here, whatever quotient we got here, this is a square root. Okay, so then we can write square root of 2304 is 48. Okay, simple. Okay, then next question. Now since remainder is 0, so whatever quotient is there is our answer or is our square root. Okay, now second part. Okay, in second part number we have, this is 4489. Okay, same thing we'll do here. Again we'll make pair. Okay, pair of two numbers from units place. So from here we'll make one pair, this one is first pair and this one is second pair. Again we'll choose such a number whose square is less than or equal to this first pair. Okay, so when we'll take, suppose 5 and 5, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49. So students, 49 will be greater than 44, so I have chosen 6. Okay, then we'll take 6. So 6 6s are 36. Now 44 minus 36, this will 8. Okay, whatever number we have written here, we'll do addition of same number. So here then 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, now next pair we'll note it down. ठीक है, then this, now this is 889. ओके, नाउ अगेन वील सी दिस 9 इज एट यूनिट्स प्लेस। तो आप किस नंबर को चूज़ करोगे कि यहाँ पे आप ऐसा कौन सा नंबर लोगे कि जो 9 है वो उस टेबल में आए। ओके, सो suppose 3 and 3, 3 3s are 9, and when you will multiply 123 and 3, so that will be less. Okay, then I have chosen 7, then 127 multiply by 7, again 7 7s are 49. You can see units place again 9 is there. Okay, so when you will multiply this 127 by 7, so we'll get 889, and then again when you will subtract we will get 0. So since remainder is 0, so whatever quotient we got here, this is the square root. Okay, so square root of 4489 is what? 67. Okay, so students, like this you have to do. Now see third part. Okay, third part is 3481. Okay, again same thing, same steps we'll follow. First of all we'll make pair from units place. Okay, then 5 5s are, you can see, 25. Okay, when you'll subtract 9 is remainder, then this 81, next pair we'll note down. So this is 981. So here you can see 1 is there, so 101 multiply by 1, so we'll get 101. और what number we can take? 9 9s are, since 9 9s is 81. ठीक है, अगेन यूनिट प्लेस में 1 आ रहा है, सो वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई दिस ऑल्सो. So when I multiply this 109 by 9, so I got here 981. Okay, then by subtraction here we got remainder is 0. So therefore whatever quotient, this 59 is a square root of 3481. Okay, next student, next question 529. So here you can see this is 3-digit number. Okay, so again but same process we will follow. We'll make pair from units place, pair of 2 2. Okay, so this is first pair, and since there is only one digit, so we'll take here only one digit. Okay, now one digit, so we should choose such a number whose square is less than or equal to 5. So if we do 2 2s are 4, so this is less than 5. Okay, so this is 2 2s are 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. Now next pair we have noted down, this is 29. So now the number is 129. Okay, now when you multiply 4 3s are 43, multiply by 3, so we got here 129, again remainder is 0, and our answer is 23. Okay, then next part 3249. Similarly we have to do, children. 49 first pair, 32 second pair. Okay, then 5 5s are 25, because 6 6 are 36, तो वो क्या होगा? 32 से greater होगा. ठीक है, that is why we'll do by 5. 5 5s are 25. Okay, then by subtraction 7 is left. Now this next pair we have noted down. Now since you can see here last digit is 9, so you can do 3 and 3. ठीक है, तो वो जो नंबर है 103 3s are, so that is very less from this. Then we have tried by 7, so 107, then by 7, so we got here 749. ठीक है, after subtractions remainder is 0. Okay, and quotient is 57. So 3249 square root of this is 57. So students, like this you have to do. Remaining you can solve similar type of question of part 1. Okay, the next question we'll see in our next video. Thank you.